a Wi-Fi relay board here, Bluetooth board, relays for the actuators, another Bluetooth board, Wi-Fi relay board, Wi-Fi relay board, voltage converter. This is a speed controller that I'm going to put in for my fan, for my heater, and then I have the gauges for my future gray water tank and freshwater tank, and also my fuel tank for my diesel heater. I'll be adding some more switches in here for some more controls, and like I said, I'll be rewiring all these wires, bringing them back down underneath here and bringing them up through, and clean up the whole thing. And the control panel I'm going to make will actually fold down so I can access areas if I need. So that's so far what I have to do, and I'm still having some rewiring down in the bottom that I've been working on, and hopefully I'll get that finished in a few weeks. I cut out a plexiglass panel that's going to house all of my relay boards and terminal blocks, and going to start wiring it in. I figured it's going to probably take me about 5 or 6 hours to get the whole thing done, but I'll speed through the video so you'll don't have to watch the whole thing. My neighbor Mark gave me a nice hoodie. Really appreciate it. It's nice and warm and comfortable. Really thank you, Mark, for this gift. Now that I have all the relay boards attached to the panel, I've started wiring some of the outputs and connections to the terminal blocks. I'm also going to label all things on the drawing so it's not confusing, or if I have an issue I know exactly where to look. I added 2 more terminal blocks. I'm going to use one is a ground bus for my switches. Another one will be for power, multiple power source. This one here will be also for power to all my 12-volt outlets, and they'll be separate off to the breakers down below. So I'm just going to do a little bit more wiring on here, and then I can remove what I have on the outside and start wiring this panel back in. Kind of hard to hear me here. I misplaced my wireless mic, but I've made or sewed together a cover that'll fit over the top. Hooks onto the gutter on the top of the vehicle and hooks onto the door, so I can use it to keep myself dry and a little warmer, I guess. I can put my heater in there too. And I can also use it on the other side of the door. I plan to use it as part of my outdoor shower if I'm in the boonies. So I think it'll work quite well. This is the first time I'm actually hooking it up. So it did a couple little mistakes, couple things I have to improve onto it. But it's like I say, it's a work in progress, but we'll see how it works. seal. Let's put in the gutter. Try that again. Well, the first time I put it up, a little wet here, but I think it'll work. At least it'll keep me dry. I want to put something out here to hold it in place too. Well, I can put my new panel in. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video a little informative or interesting. I'll be doing the second part of the video on the weekend, so I hope to have that all finished by then. And if you already haven't, subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. Thanks. Bye.